Hello guys. Today we are going to repair an indoor 3.91 LED panel. Look, 8 rows of LED are black. First step, let us test this LED panel. Usually, this kind of problem is caused by a failed driving IC. We need to find the row driver IC corresponding to these rows, and then replace it with a new one. Okay, this position. We prepare a good driving IC. Fix it slightly, then add solder and flux. Solder the new driving IC firmly. Now reconnect the power cable and signal cable. The problem solved, then test it.